Okay, so here's the update with my hair. This is me being 45, soon 46 years old. Yeah, a lot of white and gray. As you can tell, it's thinking up. So I use, you can tell it's not bad for being my age, you know. Some people are bald by 25 years old. I use this, it's called Prost. Evan, it's for prostate, and it blocks DHT, so it's a DHT blocker. I also got this a couple years ago that helps. I use this a couple times a week. It's a Luminova, the tongue twister, and it basically it's a laser. So let's see here. Of course, it doesn't turn on because I got a charger. Oh, there. See, got several settings. Yeah. So what I'll do is I'll use it a couple times a week, 2 to 3 times a week, depending. I also have from Melaleuca a really nice powder that I take that it helps with your bones and your skin and everything, and that helps. And if you can tell, let's see if I can do it without my glasses are looking weird. My hairline's coming back, see? Little hairs here and there. This is all filled in. Is it perfect? No, but it's all natural. I don't have to take any of those pills such you get on Hims or anything that was side effects. I don't have any side effects or anything like that. And you know, everyone's afraid of that. Of course, no one wants side effects. But yeah, I mean, is it perfect? No. Also, I've noticed too, my beard is thicker. I never had this. It's filling up. This is more on this side. I have a little gap here, but this is me not taking no DHT with finasteride or nothing like that that will help grow the hair, but then you know there's side effects. So basically, that's what I do. That's my update. Let me know what you guys think. It's not bad for being my age. I'll be 46 in a month or two. Actually, in 2 months in August, so it's not bad. And I like the result. On top of it too, my skin's been a lot better and clearer. I can grow almost a full beard. I mean, there's certain parts here that fills up. Yeah, that filled up beautifully. It needs to fill up a little more in this little spots. As my sideburns filled up, it's getting there. Yeah, so it works. That's my update. So like I said, I use the laser treatment from Luminova company, which is a hat I got for a good deal. A couple Labor Day weekends, I think it was 2 years ago. This is the result, including taking the DNT blocker, DHT blocker, not DMT, the HT blocker for prostate, and also it does that. So it regrow my hair basically. I'm gonna just see if I can do this without my glasses. Let's see. Yeah. So for those that have any questions, it's a perfect no, but you don't have to deal with side effects on that. I think it was my kitty coming to visit me or trying to. And basically that. And you know, my hair is thicker. My facial hair is a lot thicker. Do I need a haircut? Yeah, I just curious how fast my hair would grow and how long it would grow. I also noticed too, my nails has been better. They've grown better. And my skin has cleared up. And on top of it, I feel a lot better. I used to get a lot of skin issues with regards to like after you get chickenpox, you get shingles, and that slowed down too. So it's all a benefit for you. And, you know, for those other guys that are 40 plus, obviously don't get your colon check, get your prostate check, and all that stuff. And if you're losing hair, these are natural ways to do it. It won't affect your diet or your medicines, but please contact your physician and also your dermatologist if this is good for you. For me, I did that, and this is the result. Am I 100% satisfied? No. Am I 95% satisfied? Yeah. And just what it is so far. I could never grow a full beard. I barely had a goatee. This was all gone. I had patches. This is, I don't know, a couple of weeks thick. It's a perfect no, but am I happy with the results? Yes. Is it going to get better? Yes, and that's the result. So please like and subscribe. I'll do more of an update around Christmas time. Okay, thank you.